What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to another vlog. My name's Victoria, aka Vicolia, and I am up this early, bright morning because I'm going for a walk. Do you guys remember when we went up that hike, the mountain, like a couple months ago? Well, I'm attempting my third attempt up this mountain. And I just want to know if I can make it back up. But my cousins are going, some of the church members are going. So I'm going to quickly make my way there because I'm running a bit late. But I'm like, I bet you they're all running late. Everyone's probably dreading this walk. I'm trying to convince Aussie to come with me, but he doesn't want to. Does not want to. So I'm going to quickly get ready and then I'll see you guys up there not up there. I'll see you guys at the bottom of the mountain. It's been so long since we've seen you guys. This is a little upgrade of Aussie's car. Oh, can you see the roof racks? This thing is so nice. We should open it to show you guys if you don't know what it is. It's called an awning. And Aussie ended up coming.
I'm gonna go to the gym. What? I would love to get Uelese.
Yep.
You should go by yourself.
Because I need him for like the moral support. And I also need him because I might need him to push me up the mountain.
Run. Don't even cry.
Babe, can you hurry up please? Everyone's on their way.
Wait, if I vive la car,
You should have done that ages ago. So we're here now, guys, at the mountain place at the bottom. I seen my sister and a group of the girls just start walking up, but my cousins are still not here. We're gonna wait for them because they're with some balangis and the balangis are gonna be so fit and I'm not gonna wanna slow them down. I need to go with the big people. I'm so nervous. Oh, so nervous.
Very nervously laugh. I don't interview.
I'm so nervous. It's been a while since you guys seen Osboy. Hey, Osboy.
What's up?
Hey, shut up.
Today, didn't feel like going to the mountain. It's because I want to go to the gym. But this girl want me to come with her, but only girls. Oh my god. Why is she got me with the girls? Today is girls' time, not. I don't know why you want me to come.
It's not just girls, babe. Look, they've gone first, but I'm still gonna be so much slower than them.
Church, you know?
There they are. We're going up together. I know. Molly didn't come, right?
Oh, of course.
It's the mountain crew.
Oh no, you got lost. I told her, car park's behind one more. She goes, I know where it is. It's somewhere up here. I was like, we might as well go up the mountain.
Wait, we should probably just drive up there and meet them up there. Because I messaged you at like 5.
Oh, Vicky messaged me right at
No, because I was like, okay, they said 6:30, so I better set my alarm. And then they didn't even wake up. Yeah, sorry, I'm proud. I'm already past. Me too. This is nothing though. I'm sorry, also, I'm pissed.
2 hours later.
I think it was her way. I was trying to
Aussie, how did you find that walk? Was it challenging for you?
Never again.
Oh, that's the first and the last.
That was good. That was a good run.
Was it good for you, Lee?
That's good.
That's good. I'm glad we all made it to the top. And yeah, it was very tough, even though I didn't make it completely to the top. Oh, walking down is like you never even struggled to go up.
That's what we were laughing at.
Yeah, because that's why.
People didn't know that
No,
we were
bro,
laughing.
running down. Okay, guys, we're finally on our way home. So I was all psyched before. I didn't actually make it all the way up. Although I would say I was about 80% of the way, so it was 20% that we didn't actually make up. That's alright with me because I've been having some little bit of health issues lately with my iron, and I pushed myself as far as I feel like I could have. in the time that we went up, but I'm gonna try again next time, maybe a few weeks in future, and hopefully we can, you know, get a little bit further. So Aussie, thank you so much for coming and helping me, for carrying my stuff. I have to clean my house and it's really kind of messy. I've got like this washing up here. I've got to do more washing, vacuum the house, dishes, and I'm just too tired. I only had 5 hours sleep last night because we had bingo at my parents' until 11-ish. And then I came home and I'm actually so tired, guys. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just tired. Aussie's in the car. He's about to go to the gym. And I'm gonna clean the house. And then I think we might go out for breakfast somewhere. And also we booked a holiday, guys. We booked a holiday. I'm so annoyed because like I booked our holiday, like the accommodation. And then the very next day I hear that Queensland have opened their borders to Canberrans. I don't know if it's just to Canberrans, but they've opened their borders. And I was like, what the frick? Oh my gosh, I just booked our accommodation. It's non-refundable. I cannot get a refund. I'm honestly so annoyed because we wanted to go to the Gold Coast or Cairns or somewhere up there. Where we have booked is only a couple hours away from where we live. So that way we can drive. Otherwise, if we were going to Queensland, we'd probably have to book flights. But, yeah, I'm quite excited for this trip. It's just like a relaxation trip. I don't plan to do much. Maybe go to the beach and relax there, have a whole day at the beach.
Many hours later.
Okay, we have finished cleaning our house. Looks so much better than when I walked in here. Except still got to take those clothes to the room. Also, you can be responsible for that.
I'm always responsible for everything.
So I don't know if Aussie's going to go to the gym, but I'm going to go have a shower. Look at my arms. Hold on. I just had my supplements. I got like a shelf of supplements. I don't take them all every day. I take whatever I need on that day, which is good because I used to think, oh, I need to take all of them, but you don't. You only take what you need when you need it. So today I took 2 beef. Let me plug real quick, okay? Those of you ladies or men who are low in iron, but mostly women because, you know, we bleed every month. Well, not every month for some of us. But I bought these new supplements and they're really good if you're low in iron, because I know last time I mentioned that I was low in iron, some people said that they were too. So this is what I got. It's Heal with Pete Evans. It's organic beef liver. I usually get the iron infusions, but I haven't been getting that lately because I get really bad side effects from that. And I feel like beef liver is just as good. It's actually food, so it's not going to be as foreign as standalone iron in the body. But yeah, so that's... I just Google this if you want to try it out. It's basically my Ferrograd. I'm not going to take Ferrograd anymore, which is the iron supplements. I also took some iodine in the form of sea kelp, which can help with estrogen. If you're estrogen dominant, you can tell you're estrogen dominant when your like boobs are really, 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 really big and it's not genetic. It's your boobs are just ginormously big. But like that's a sign of estrogen. Also, period irregularities, also another sign of estrogen. So iodine can help as well. Look, I'm not a doctor. These are just my findings that I'm finding that helps me. Okay, consult your doctor. So I'm just taking what's helping me. I also took a woman's essentials, which is, yeah, just like a multivitamin for women. But yeah, it changes every day how I'm feeling and what's happening to my body. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go have a shower. Also, you might go to the gym. Yeah, and then we might go for breakfast. Oh, I look so nice. I haven't done my eyebrows though. Or my
Look, it's like on top. The bar, like bar on top.
Yeah, it's very big and very long.
I need that one.
Yeah, so I'm so tired. But yeah, guys, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Oh my gosh, my camera was on this whole time. Look, guys, I don't know if you can see, if you can go faster or see. Oh, I missed it because you're so slow. There's a snake over there. Look at that. They've got 2 snakes in their heads. Oh my gosh.
Big snake.
Weird.
Big snake lake.
And Ossie's like, I don't like that snake. Oh, go to that BMW. Here at Enjoy, our favorite cafe. I got a bottle of water. But Ossie got a milkshake, which is coming soon. And I'm so excited to eat. Guys, we were too hungry. We didn't even show you what we ate. My food was the best. Ossie didn't enjoy his that much, so he had half of mine. And we also got pancakes, which Ossie smashed. Okay, fine, I had some, but he smashed it.
Big food for the big boy.
Hey guys, it's pretty dark now. Kind of, it's getting dark. But Ossie and I are here at the park because we bought this super cheap drone. Actually, it wasn't super cheap. We got it from JB Hi-Fi. It was $130. But when I came home, I searched online, and so many people in Australia got it for $49. So I feel completely ripped off. But we've got this little drone because we're practicing, like, learning how to use it before we actually buy a DJ. And it's Ossie's turn now. Look at this guy. He can't even... No, you don't do the 7 o'clock. He just crashed into that pole back there. So we're just trying to get used to, like, flying it because we're really keen on getting an actual, like, a good one. But I think we should practice with, like, the cheapy ones first. And I'm so cut, I could not get over that it's actually only worth like $49, and I paid $130 for it. So we didn't vlog again until at all yesterday, the rest of the day. So it's a really dull day outside, but Ossie's gone to the gym before we go to church, and I'm going to get started on some guangai. So today I'm just making whatever is in my fridge. And it looks like it's going to be a fruit salad. Fruit salad. Where is my mind today? It's not a fruit salad. It is a noodle stir fry with some rump steak here that I got from the butcher's. And I'm gonna have some broccoli in it. So those are my veggies that are going in. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this like a quick little, you know what I mean? Okay guys, so this is my, what do you call this? A noodle stir fry, beef noodle stir fry. So I got really tired of like worrying about the camera, so I'm sorry if you only saw part of it. But I'm gonna wait and take that to my parents after. Got Ossie over here, the little snacky butt. This is like, honestly, let me plug this real quick. This is a staple, a weekly staple in my house. This is the Aldi marinated chicken. I love this chicken.
Chicken from the island in Samoa.
Morning guys, welcome back. We have not been faithful in our vlogging, but we are going to vlog today and you are going to watch this video. So I did vlog that we went up hiking, but we didn't actually finish that vlog because when we went to, the battery was flat, so I was like, ugh, whatever. And so I've since charged it, and I'm having my green smoothie today.
Oi.
So I've got chia seeds, hemp seeds, I've got lots and lots of baby spinach, a handful of berries, and half a kind of ripe banana. So we're going to go to church. We're just waiting for Aussie to get ready. I went to Bingo with $15 and I came back with 50. How good's that? Another little update. I just want to show you guys my plant. This one's blooming a new flower. This one I divided from the big plant over there, this big mother plant. This one's doing really well too. It's called a Zingonium butterfly. My spider plant is doing well. Looks very healthy. This is my peace lily that I divided with my mum's. There's a few new leaves coming up. There too. This one is my little philodendron. I neglected this one a while ago, so a lot of the leaves died, but I can see a new one coming up. I picked off all the old ones and repropagated it. This one is my philodendron, the horsehead, and finally it's taken like 6 months for this, maybe even longer, for this little thing to sprout up. And this one of my favorites, the elephant ears, and I can see another one, little ones coming through. And this one, don't even ask me about this one. Aussie,